Hello everyone, myself Kinjal Patel in Civil Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In previous video lecture, we covered two objects, first cylinder and second right circular cone of chapter number 1. In today's video lecture, I will teach you remaining topic of this chapter. Now start first topic, first term of cone. You can see the figure first term of cone. We all know the figure of cone. We have already discussed in a previous video lecture. Now I will cut the cone into two parts. First part become a small cone and second part is called first term of cone. So this figure, this portion indicate the first term of a cone. Which contain two circular part at top and bottom, which has different radius. Now you can see the figure in small h is equal to height of first term of cone, capital H that is height of upper cone, small capital R that is radius of a larger circle, and small r that is radius of smaller circle. And this portion indicate the first term of cone. And total height is equal to small h plus capital H. Now for finding the volume of first term of cone, first we find the volume of entire cone, that is this portion. Then find the volume of cut area of cone, that is this portion. Then we subtract the volume of entire cone to volume of cut area of a cone. So we will get the volume of the first term of a cone. So first find the volume of an entire cone. So the equation of a volume of entire cone, that is full figure V, volume V is equal to 1/3 pi radius, that is capital R square, into height, it is total height, small h plus capital H. So we get the equation volume of entire cone V is equal to 1/3 pi R square capital H plus small h. Second, find out the volume of a top cone, that is this portion. So the equation of a volume of cone V is equal to 1/3 pi into radius, that is small r square, plus height, that is capital H. Okay. So we will find the volume of first term of cone. So V is equal to volume of entire cone minus volume of top cone. So the equation of volume of entire cone V is equal to 1/3 pi R square into capital H plus small h minus 1/3 pi R square into H. You can also simplify it. So the equation volume of first term of cone V is equal to pi h divided by 3 in bracket capital R square plus capital R plus small r plus R square. Now next we will find the surface area of first term of a cone. First we have to find the area of three part like A1, A2 and A3. Okay, so the A1, that is this portion, A1 is equal to pi in bracket capital R plus small r into slant height L, where slant height L is equal to, now how to find the value of a slant height? First we denote A, B, C, D and E. So we require the value of CE, that is L, small l slant height, CE. In this figure, that is this portion, we applied Pythagoras theorem. So L square is equal to height, that is small h square, plus radius, that is capital R, minus radius, that is small r. So slant height is L square is equal to h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. So we get the equation of slant height L is equal to h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. So we put the value of equation surface area A1, so pi into capital R plus small r into slant height, that is small l. Second, find out the surface area A2, that is this portion. So we know that the area of a circular part is equal to pi r square. Okay, so pi small r whole square and A2, that is pi r capital R square. So the total surface area capital A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So A1, that is this equation, A2, that is pi r square, and A3, that is pi small r square. So the equation of a surface area A is equal to pi r square capital R square plus pi small r square plus pi into bracket capital R plus small r into square root capital R minus small r whole square plus h square. Now next start the example of first term of cone. First, a first term of circular cone has a base radius 0.6 meter, top radius 0.3 meter and height 1.2 meter. Determine its volume and surface area. Okay, first of all I will draw the figure first term of cone. Okay, a first term of circular cone has base radius, that is capital R, is equal to 0.6 meter, top radius, that is small r, 0.3 meter, and height, that is small h. So small h is equal to 1.2 meter. Determine its volume and surface area. So next, first of all find out the slant height L. So write down the equation of a slant height, that is this, and put the value of equation. So we get the value of a slant height is equal to 1.24 meter. Now first find out the volume. So the equation of a volume of frustum of cone, put the value of equation, so we get the answer is volume of frustum of cone 0.791 meter cube. And second, find out surface area. So write down the equation of surface area is equal to pi into bracket capital R plus small r into slant height L. Okay, so put the value in equation, so we get the answer of surface area is equal to 3.506 meter square. Now next object is frustum of pyramid. It is same as frustum of cone, but only difference is cone has a base of circle and pyramid has base of square. Frustum of pyramid base can also be square, pentagon, hexagon, triangle, etc. Every figure defined as a frustum of a cone. Okay. So first question, what is frustum of cone? So this is the figure of frustum of a pyramid. This figure are cut into two parts. First part become a small pyramid and second part is frustum of a pyramid. Okay, so this portion indicate the frustum of pyramid. Now we take pyramid which has square base. First, I will draw the figure frustum of pyramid. You can see the figure capital A1, that is lower base area, A2, that is upper base area, and height small h, it is height of frustum. So first find out the volume of frustum of pyramid. V is equal to h by 3 multiply A1 plus A2 plus square root A1 A2. Second, find out the slant height, that is small l. So first I will draw one more figure. So we can apply it Pythagoras theorem. So slant height L is equal to A minus B whole square plus h square. So next find out the surface area of a side. So the equation of surface area, A is equal to 1/2 P1 plus P2 multiply L slant height, where P1 bottom base perimeter and P2 that is top base perimeter, and L is small l is equal to slant height. So the volume of frustum of pyramid with n side, V is equal to small n into h divided by 12 into A1 square plus A1 A2 plus A2 whole square into cot pi by n, where small n is equal to number of side, small h that is height of frustum, A1 is equal to lower base side and A2 is equal to upper base side. Now next example of frustum of pyramid. So a trapezoidal slope square footing has top dimension 0.4 meter multiply 0.4 meter, that is A1 is equal to, A2 is equal to 0.4 into 0.4 meter, that is 0.60 meter square, and base dimension, that is A1 1.0 meter multiply 1.0 meter, so 1 meter square, with height 0.6 meter, that is small h is equal to 0.6 meter. Determine volume of concrete required for footing and also find surface area of a site. So first of all we will find the volume. So equation of volume of first term of pyramid, V is equal to this h by 3 multiply a1 plus a2 plus square root a1 a2. So we put the value of in this equation, so we get the answer. Volume of first term of pyramid is equal to 0.312 meter square. So volume of concrete. Second, find out the surface area of a site. Okay. So first of all, find out the slant height L. So first find out small a and small b. So small a is equal to 1.0 divided by 2, that is 0.5 meter, and small b, that is 0.4 divided by 2, that is 0.2 meter. So put the value in this equation. So the answer of slant height is equal to 0.67 meter. So the surface area of site, so the equation of surface area is equal to 1/2 P1 plus P2 multiply slant height small l. So 1/2, so P1 is equal to 4 multiply 1.0, 4 multiply 1.0, but it is 4 indicate the square footing. So the number of side of square footing, that is 4, okay, is equal to 4. So that is P1 is equal to 4 plus P2, that is 4 multiply 0.4, that is 1.6, okay, and slant height is equal to 0.67. So the answer of surface area A is equal to 1.87 meters square. Now next object is circle, segment and sector. Okay, first is circle. We all know that the equation of area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Second, sector of a circle. So first, semicircle. Okay, so the equation of area of a semicircle, that is A is equal to pi r square divided by 2. And second, quarter circle. Okay, you can see the figure, quarter circle, that is this portion. So the area of a quarter circle A is equal to pi r square divided by 4. Third, if any sector. Okay, you can see the figure of any sector. So the area of any sector A is equal to pi r square, that is this circle pi r square into theta by 360, where theta in degree. Okay, now I will explain why we write theta by 360. For any sector, we do not know the angle. So for any angle, we can find the value of equation by theta by 360. Suppose we have semicircle, we all know it has an angle of theta is equal to 180. So now put the value in equation. A is equal to pi r square theta by 360. So pi r square, okay, put the value theta is equal to 180. 180 divided by 360. Okay, so the equation of A, area of a semicircle, is equal to pi r square divided by 2. Okay, now second equation, where theta in radian. So in this equation, I put the value of a pi is equal to 180. So we get the equation area A is equal to r square into theta by 2, where theta in radian. Okay, now next, see segment of a circle. Okay, this is the figure of segment of a circle. So this portion are indicate this segment, and this portion are indicate this sector. Okay, so the area of a segment A is equal to 1/2 multiply theta minus sin theta into r square, where theta in radian. And second equation, A is equal to pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 into r square, where theta in degree. Okay, next find out the arc length of sector or segment. So you can see the figure of a arc length. Okay, this portion are indicate the arc length, and this is the angle of theta, and this is the radius small r. So arc length L is equal to theta multiply radius small r, where theta is in radian. Second equation, L is equal to theta pi r divided by 180, where theta is in degree. Now next, calculate the example. Example number 1. Find the area of a sector with central angle of 60 degree. That is, theta is equal to 60 degree and radius 10 meter. That is, small r is equal to 10 meter. And calculate the area of a sector. Okay, so the area of equation of area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So put the value in equation. So we get the answer, area of a sector is equal to 52.36 meter square. Example second, find the area of a segment of a circle with central angle of 120 degree, that is theta is equal to 120 degree, and radius 8 meter. So write down the equation of area of a segment of a circle. A is equal to theta into pi by 360 minus sin theta by 2 into r square. So put the value in equation. So we get the answer, area of a segment of a circle A is equal to 39.29 meter square. Now next object is a sphere. Okay, this is the figure of a sphere. So first of all, we will find the volume of a sphere. So the equation of volume of sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Second, find the surface area. So the surface area of a sphere A is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay. Now second, find out the segment of sphere. Okay. So first of all, find out the volume of spherical segment and surface area of spherical segment. Okay, you can see the figure. Small r is equal to radius of sphere, r1 that is radius of lower base of segment, and r2 that is radius of upper base of segment. So the volume of a spherical segment V is equal to pi h divided by 6 in bracket 3 r1 square plus 3 r2 square plus h square. Okay, second, surface area. So the curved surface area of a spherical segment A is equal to 2 pi r h. Now next, calculate the example of sphere. Okay, a segment of a sphere has radius of a base 37 centimeter. So R1 is equal to 37 meter base radius, and radius at top 35 centimeter, that is top, that is R2 35 centimeter, and height, that is small h 25 centimeter. Determine volume and surface area of a segment. Okay, take radius of a sphere is 40 centimeter. So first find out the volume of a segment. So write down the equation of volume of a segment. Put the value in equation. So we get the answer of volume of a segment V. Second, find out the surface area of a segment. So the equation of surface area of segment A is equal to 2 pi small r into small h. So first of all, find out this small r radius. So the equation of a small r is equal to square root r1 minus r2 whole square plus h square in bracket r1 plus r2 whole square plus h square divided by 4h square. Okay, so put the value in this equation. So we get the answer of small r, that is 38.23 centimeter. Okay, so the surface area of segment A is equal to 2 pi small r into h. Put the value in equation. So we get the answer of surface area of a segment capital A is equal to this answer. Now last object is ellipse. Okay, so the area of ellipse A is equal to pi AB. This is the figure of ellipse. So this distance are small a and this distance are indicated small b. So area of ellipse A is equal to pi into A into B. In today's video lecture, we have to complete all the topic of chapter number 1. If any queries related to this topic, this chapter, then contact me. Thank you.